Confess by Colleen Hoover, published in 2015, is a poignant tale of love, loss, and redemption. It follows Auburn, a young woman desperate to rebuild her life, and Owen, Gentry, a mysterious artist whose work is inspired by anonymous confessions. Their fates intertwine in an emotional journey filled with secrets and sacrifices, exploring the vulnerabilities of the human heart. Follow Celsius 233 for the full summary. Bye-bye, take care, have fun.